Audio Jungle.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
చాలు, ఈ ఒక్క మాట చాలు.
అరే ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరు? గుడ్. రియలీ ఐ కాంట్ హియర్. I don't know what to say, honestly. I thought ki I'll say something in Telugu, but my Telugu grammar is very bad.
కానీ మేము విన్నాము మీరు ఈ సినిమాలో డబ్బింగ్ కూడా చెప్పారు అని.
Yes, because of that man over there, Srinu Garu, all your fault. I have dubbed for the film, so I hope you like it. First time I'm speaking in Telugu for all of you, and I really hope you like it. I will wait for Srinuji to say anything further on that. I hope it's come out well, but I've had so much fun. I've missed you guys so much, and I'm feeling
They missed
so
you
loved.
too.
I miss you too, but I'm back and I love you, and I love you guys so much. I want to say thank you to Srinu for believing in me. Thank you. And yeah, you guys like it too. And yeah, it just feels so special coming back with Taman and Ravi together again after so long. So yes, this is going to be very special and really big.
We are all very happy to see you back.
Thank you.
We wish to see you more in Tollywood.
Yes.
And of course in Bollywood too. And if possible in Hollywood also.
We'll see. Tollywood first.
Thank you so much, Ileana Garu. Waiting to listen to you and to see you on November 16th in Amar Akbar Antony.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yep.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.